night, Bristol.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. What? Uh-oh.
But I see the big predator.
We're okay, we're okay.
Hello? Jesus.
Oh, come the fuck on, man. Come the fuck on, man. Come the fuck on, man. And then it turns down there and goes to the car park anyway. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'm just wondering if the highway code is even a thing anymore. Is that even like a thing? Is that even a thing? Example, just there. Look, there's another one. It's a Monday morning, so I'll let these people off because they're obviously still half asleep. Just like me, I'm still half asleep. It's only 8 o'clock in the morning. What's going on, Benji? I don't know. What I mean to say is there like the highway code even a thing of life anymore? Does anyone actually bother to read it? Is it required for driving these days? Because I don't think it is. Judging by the way some of these people are actually driving today, I don't think it is.
Guys, yeah. Guys.
You nearly died. Now put your foot down quickly. Ah, friends walked up as well.
Come down, because I'm going back. Come down. Come down.
Come on, you stupid idiot.
Right, no, just stay there. Be an idiot, that's fine. No, you just stay there. I'll go round you. Just make it difficult, man. Duh.
Yeah. So it'd be like 12 quid for us to go, basically. 4, 8, 12, and then we just got to pay.
Ooh.
Sorry.
Ooh, the stereotype on that one.
Very annoying. I might get like my mother.
Vicious.
Well, it is. They think they can roll the policeman just because he's got a knobby. Because he's got a knob. Sorry, wrong number. Well, it is, isn't it?
Because that was a pound world and it closed out.
Yeah, there's a
remember?
pound shop.
And a pound.
Poundland and pound for Iceland, see? So did they make little smaller?
What pace is freaking stop, mine?
Yes it is.
They deserve to be hit, don't they, huh? No, Ed.
Oh, you don't want to park next to him, look.
No, I don't want to park next
Oh,
to him.
no.
Definitely
That's
not.
bad advertisement. Very bad advertisement. There's another one.
Where?
There.
Stop there as well.
Stupid ass.
What's occurred? Is that man been accused of, he's just pulled out a couple of beer cans on his horse? Are you allowed to do that? Are you allowed to drive your horse? Nay. That's a nice looking horse though. Oh, lovely looking horse. See, I'm not quite fluent on my horse driving etiquette. So do you need lights on a horse? Do you need reflectors on a horse? Do you need... Oh, what are you beeping for? Editing Benji, go and have a look and Google and educate yourself on correct horse driving techniques. I'm kind of interested. See, I've got to remind myself, otherwise I forget. So, editing Benji, remind yourself. Also, just for the fun of it, have a look, see if anyone's got a speeding ticket on a horse. Because it is possible, horses do go pretty fast, don't they? Well, they can do. I wonder if anyone's got a... I wonder if anyone's got a speeding ticket or a red light fine. I wonder.
Indoor banana plant. I still could work it out.
Clap! Yay! Because we've got some excellent parking.
Oh.
if the occasion arises and another driver pulls out in front of you when the gap is not big enough to do so in a safe manner, and the aforementioned driver forces you to slow down for them, the correct terminology for a driver in this case would be to simply call them a cunt.
Alright.
And it turns out he treated himself.
Mama.
And you think, on your birthday, you think,
Cookie.
I'm going to go for a special birthday fry-up maybe, meal with friends, a few days off, you know, I'm just going to take some time to celebrate my birthday. Well, no. You're not going to move then? That's fine, I'll get right up to you.
Bought
Himself a $500,000 heart-shaped diamond ring. Everything in that sentence makes my bum go a little bit. $500,000 heart-shaped ring. What? There's me pouring.
They still just come at you, don't they?
Baby.
Maisie!
That is an absolute treat. Don't get me. Right, I'm going to play a bit of Simba first. It's YTK and Baby No Money. It's la la la.
Look at them evil looks, like. What is that guy doing? What is she doing?
I don't know. I'm just going to wait for her to do whatever it is she is doing. They will force themselves through, won't they? They will do it.
Oh, I hate this road.
Yeah.
Oh, we're never driving up this road.
When Audi should have given way, this is what happens. Is that an Audi? No, it's a Mercedes. I'm sorry. I am so sorry, Audi drivers. Giving you a bad name. It was a Mercedes, in fact. Wow. Okay, should we do what that car did to me earlier? Which way are you going? Which way are you going? Beep! You're going to have to come on, because I'm not going to get through there. I know it's a nice fault and all that, but you didn't think, did you? You didn't look behind you to see if there's anything there. Otherwise, you wouldn't have done that, to be fair. You're welcome as well. Thank you! Should we all clap?
Yeah.
Why are we
let's
clapping?
clap. Thank you.
Why are we clapping?
Just because. Da 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 da. Bus. You've made it difficult, haven't you? Jesus Christ, man. Just stay there. Just stay there. You could have just pulled into that fucking space. Oh, what are you doing? Come on.
Let's go.
No. Just go for a red light. Yeah, special. I don't know if I did yet, so we're going to have to go back and replay. We might not have to call it special in the end after all.
How did they just blow that out, mate? You've got a proper well trained,
I
haven't
know.
you?
What'd you say? What'd you say, baby girl? Special! Special! I got told off, I did, for picking on our Gelias.
Why?
Because they're a sensible, cheap, reliable car that shouldn't be picked on for no reason, just because they look funny. I got told off, I did, in the comments. They were proper mad at me.
Aww.
It's going crazy.
Aww.
I know. Ooh, you're a bad driver.